Hello family, welcome to my channel. It's a girl May Glow back with another video. In today's video we are unboxing and reviewing a cordless car pressure washer. Okay, this one is a game changer. It's a lifesaver. Actually, you know me, I always bring you the best. Go dig it and bring you the best. Okay, so one time I was supposed to go for a program. I was tired the day, so I couldn't send my car to the washing bay, and the program too was early morning around 8 a.m. and I was so confused. When I woke up in the morning, my car was so dirty. I'll pass through a washing bay so they can wash it for me. So when I was going, when I saw the people over there, I'm like, oh my god, when am I going to wash this car? So I told them that I begged them they should just begged them just to wash the tires and the body of the car for me. They wasted my time and program very late. And then when I came home, I was thinking about myself, how am I going to solve this? So I came online to Google about how I can solve this problem. So I got this recommendation. Then I ordered one of this pressure washer water in our house. So I just connect it to the poly tank, or I can even use buckets, movable. You can send it anywhere you want to go. You use it to wash your car in. It comes with 2 batteries. One battery is for 60 minutes, let's say 1 hour. So here is when I was assembling it. I was going through the manual over and over and over and over again, and finally I got it. So complicated a little bit, but I was able to figure it out. So if in case you got one and you want more details, kindly hit me up. I will now enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you all, and hey, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, kindly comment anything you want to say about this. I'll be glad to answer all your questions for you. If you have any difficulty getting one, hit me up. I can get you one. Okay, it's so good because it can save a lot of time. and it has two types. The white one is for the split option, and then the red one is for the straight option. So if you want to split it over the car, you use the white one. If you wanted to go straight to one point, you use the red one. Yeah, so this bottle is the one you put in your detergent or your soap. So this is my liquid soap that just plays in to try it out. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Enjoy it.